First, I've drawn some lines for you, and I'm going to show, this is going to want us to determine the rotation angle. So in order to do that, we're going to have to find lines that go through this point of rotation, right? And up to, so I drew a line from D to P, and then P to D. I drew a line from C to P, and P to C. And I went over here and did the same thing. From R prime to P to R, from S prime to P to S. And we're going to measure that. So if you need to pause this now, and then you're going to continue, and we're going to measure at least 2 points so you can confirm what you did is correct. So pause it, and I'm just going to start. So if you haven't paused it and you're up to me, we're good. Alright, so what we want to find out is how far they rotated to get from D to D prime. So you put your spot at D, at P, this point of rotation, and you put the line on D, and you see where it touches, and it looks to be 80 degrees. So from here to here is 80 degrees. Now if I was right, from here to here should also be 80 degrees, so we're going to measure that one as well. And it is 80 degrees. So from here to here is also 80 degrees. So I can see that I rotated these 80 degrees. Alright, so it is an 80 degree, and that is counterclockwise rotation around point P. Done. That's what we just did. Okay. We're going to measure one more right here. And I'm going to go the other way. I'm going to go from this R to R. You can see it's rotating instead of counterclockwise, clockwise. So I center this up. And I should have drawn that line a little longer, but I'm going to kind of hand it out here. And it looks to be... Now there's two measurements here. There's 45 and 135. But since that's bigger than 90 degrees, I'm going to go from here to here is 135 degrees. Let me go ahead and test this next one. Yes. And from here to here is also 135 degrees. Again, you just draw through the point to the letter that matches it with a prime on it. So this is 135 degrees clockwise around point P. It says, does it matter what points you choose when you draw this segment to the center of rotation and to the points of the pre-image and image? No. All angles of rotation are equal. Please choose 2. Choose 2. This allows you to check your work. I'm going to let you look at this guy right here, but I'm going to pause because I've given you a lot of video to look at, and I'm going to post this guy.